What's up, guys? It's July 5th, 2024. Gonna be a quick one today. Got some things going on this weekend. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Something I wanted to point out. So this was Wednesday's range, which was half a day, and I just pulled the thing how I always do and go for if they break out, we go for it. But then I was just playing around and look at this. So if we treat Wednesday and today like one day, hold on. What do you guys get what I'm trying to say? Give me 2 seconds. This is the end of Tuesday. Then look, the measured move. So of this breakout, 1 second. So of this breakout, the measured move was met, but this is still Wednesday. So I thought that was interesting. I noticed at the end of the day, not in the beginning. Is there something weird going on? Okay, never mind. So let me put this low. There, that's how I was trading today. Pretty much flat. I'm up a couple hundred on Top Step, but I'm so annoyed. I made some money here. Then I was trying to go for a swing, and somehow I put 4 contracts for the at the money on NinjaTrader. So I hit in, it pulled back, and I didn't realize I was in 4 contracts till it said like minus 400. So I hit out. Now I'm right on the day. And I'm like, what just happened? So I check everything. 2 cents. I check everything. I'm in for 1 contract. I hit enter. Again, another 4 contracts, and it's pulling back around here. Or it was like around here. So now I'm down. I wipe my gains away. The account's red. I'm like, what is going on? And then I checked the at the money template on NinjaTrader, and I accidentally put 4 for the quantity. I'm so annoyed because it would have been a nice day. I still ended the day green because I started buying clothes here. But around this area is where I caught this leg, made the money, and then this is where the at the money order problem went down. And then I made it back, and then yeah, I finished it up a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. It's just annoying. But I like somehow I feel like you guys know like self-sabotaging is. Somehow I think I'm doing that because like even if I know it's bullish, when have I even messed up the orders in so long and then all of a sudden now it happens? I don't even know what self-sabotaging means, but I definitely think something's going on. Bull's got a gap open. I'm gonna mute this 2 seconds. Um, daily chart's looking crazy bullish. No sync. Okay, let me save that. Keep adding gaps. Oh wait, actually, let me copy. That way it's the same color. So we had a bull trend day. We've been trading. Bulls have been trending for 3 days after that outside bar. Pretty crazy. Bulls definitely want to keep going. We have 3 bars on the daily chart. Could look like a pullback soon. Expect a pullback maybe. I don't know. We could just start channeling higher or breaking out. 45-minute chart is crazy. To buy the close rally. 45-minute chart traders are loving this. Um, yeah, really nice for them. Get into the bars and then all good. It's a bull trend day, so go over. I think we'll just emphasize like I'll draw in some gaps and talk about some flags. For 2 days, we've been trending higher. This was Tuesday. Monday we were sideways. Tuesday we were trending higher, and Wednesday we have another bull trend. It was half a day. Today we're breaking out of yesterday's range and almost meet the measured move. Bar 1, bull bar. Bar 2, another bull bar. Bulls are already going for the breakout. Bar 3 is bad follow through. Bar 4 looks like it's testing support. New low of the day, but really bad close. We close at bar 1. Bar 1's open. So we close at the open of the day. Bar 6. Man, I got something in my throat. Bar 6, good bull bar. However, bar 7 is bad. Bar 8 is worse for the bulls. This ends up being a wedge bottom here. 3 pushes down. I think bears are getting trapped with bar 8 and 9. Bar 9 traded lower here, reversed higher, and it's off to the races for there. Thanks for coming. I'm just joking. Hope you guys had a good weekend. No, I'm joking. No, I do hope you had a good weekend. Okay, that was such a dumb joke. I ruined it. 9, bar 9. Bar 10 is a breakout. We're breaking out above the EMA. This looks like it's becoming a pullback. bar 10, 11, 11, 12, 13 is leg 1. 14 breaks this trend line, so that makes it leg 2. Bar 15, good breakout. We're testing the highs. Bar 16, 17, 18, we start to go sideways and pull back into the EMA. Right now, the day's range bound, so we don't really know about this breakout. All right, so right now, this kind of looks like a wedge top. 3 pushes up, 1, 2, 3. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. And then bar 19 breaks out. Bar 21 is a good fall through. We have a pullback here, but it's very shallow. Look at the bodies, look at the tails. I think bears are getting trapped. That's how small pullback trends happen, is bears keep getting trapped and gaps stay open. So there are some opening gaps. I'll draw them in at the end. Where are we? Breakout with 25. Good fall through with 26. Another breakout with 27. We should have to go sideways. Just pull back into the EMA. Not the strongest trend. We didn't trend for over 20 bars. It was about 10 bars. Then we pull back. Nice leg 2 here. So there's multiple leg 1, leg 2s. We have a leg 1, pull back leg 2. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Pull back leg 3. Leg 1 was sharp. Leg 2 was less sharp, but it was a nice buy the close rally. Then we have another bull flag here. Man, 2 seconds. Another bull flag here. Very long and drawn out range. 66 breaks out. We retest here. And then a leg 1, pull back leg 2. And we back them in. I think by this time we should be done trading. Let's just draw the gap so we can see how the bulls get control today. So no open gaps here. Here we have a gap, but it's a weak gap because it's a bear bar, bull bar, bear bar. So that's a weak gap. No gaps. Here we have another gap. And that gap also, this gap gets closed with bar 18 and 19. Another gap here. This is a good gap. This is a good gap, and that's a good gap because it's 3 bull bars instead of opposite bars. Market goes range bound, and this gap gets closed, and then we don't see another gap until here, and that's when the market starts to break out. So there's no gaps in the range bound. You guys see how there's no gaps staying open when the market's range bound? Small gap here. The gaps are getting smaller, so the pullbacks could be coming. Gaps show where traders are trapped, and they show strength. There might be a gap right here. Yeah, there's a gap. Let me make it a little nicer. It's very small. So bigger, small, smaller. Sideways, no gaps, no gaps. Then we have a gap here while the market's breaking out. So whether we see gaps or not, if we see gaps staying open, we can think trend. If we see gaps closing, we think range. So hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys don't mind my stupid joke in the middle of this video, because that's all I've been thinking about since I said it. It was like around these bars. All right, well, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for trends. I finished the blue book. It's getting posted this weekend, and then I'm jumping right into trends. I'm not taking a break. There's no point in taking a break. I got the flow going. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.